The Syron Hawk bird control system works by using a series of cameras to identify birds in the area. Once a bird is identified, the system uses a harmless beam of light that startles the bird and causes it to fly away. The Syron Hawk system combines from smart AI-operated system, special light beam technology, remote monitoring, Syron connected to app, fully automatic system bird AI recognition. The Syron Hawk system is the perfect solution for anyone who is having problems with birds. It is safe, effective, and easy to use. How it works: the system identify and track the birds by using the smart AI bird recognition. When the system have acquired the target, it emit the laser beam and track them until they fly away safely. Then it will start searching for more targets as long as the system works. Syron Hawk, Elite Bird Control.